right, peace, family. Real quick, I want to touch bases with y'all, and I got some more drops coming for y'all tomorrow. All right, so real quick, let's talk about it. All right, so it's imperative that before I kick off this lesson that I open it up with the right spiritual energy. So let me start by saying peace to the gods and goddesses of planet Kai. Peace meaning positive energy always creates elevation. All right, thank you. So, all right, so today we're going to be discussing downloads. What are downloads? All right. It's imperative that you get familiar with the lingo to understand what these things are on the cosmic level. All right. So we already understand that if you are Black or Latino, you are a god. You are not your body. Okay. If you are mixed with either one of the carbonated races, be it Black or Latino, then it makes you a demigod. Okay. Once again, you are not your body. If you are not mixed and you are pure Caucasian, Asian, Dravidian, Mexican, and Arab, then this makes you a human being, and that's okay too. All right, we just kicking esoterical facts. All right, so let's talk about downloads. All right, so understand to the gods and the goddesses, your soul knows all truths. You have a spirit and you have a soul. Human beings only have a spirit. Okay, so with that being said, this means that you are connected to nature and everything around you. You are an eternal being of light, energy, dark matter energy, photon energy, orgone energy, plasma energy, gamma radiation. You are nature. Everything runs through you. You are the fire. You are the wind. You are the earth. You are the air. Okay. So understand that your soul already knows the truth about this reality, about this planet, this realm, this galaxy, and the other 9 universes, because you created it. All right. You are a supreme being, 19th galaxy supreme being. You know, our home planet is in the Sirius star system, all right? If you are a carbonated being. This planet that we call Earth is just one of the many planets that we created in this vast multiverse, all right? So understand that anytime that you receive information from one of the gods or from a book or a movie or in any form of way, this is nothing but stimuli, all right? This is like an electrical matrix that we actually live in. So that is a download. Just like in the Matrix when Morpheus was showing Neo, hey, if you want to learn how to fight or you want to learn how to do this or that, you have to download that program. You can download programs, all right? So especially you being a 9-ether being, all right? An electrical being, an angelic being, all right? Supreme God, Titan, all right? Grand Creator, all right? Dark matter energy being, all right? You can link into your most highest self and manifest or pull out anything. All right. So this means information from higher dimensions as well. So a lot of the times when things are said to us, we think we are learning them. We don't learn anything. Books and people, places, and events only serves as extractors to extract information out of your soul to help your soul remember. Your soul already knows all truths. So this is what we call a download. Anytime you learn from someone else or from something else, all right, and then whatever we learn from others only serves as a reminder to our souls, which already knows all truths. I repeat, anything that we learn from others or books or whatever it may be only serves as a reminder to our souls, because our souls already know the truth. All right, so everybody around you can only help extract the truth out of you. Like if you watch my video and you get enlightenment, all right, that's me helping to extract memories out of your soul that's already in you to help you remember. If I learn something from you, you're extracting memories out of my soul to help me remember. If you read a book, this book motivates you to learn something new, you don't learn anything new. You're relearning it. Your soul already know these things, but your soul was bleached on the moon, which is a soul harvesting center created by the government on this realm. All right. So understand who we are. Understand what you are. Understand who you are. Understand that your soul know all truths, but this is why you need to retain information from all sources to feed your soul to unlock its memories so that it can remember. The soul, you have to exercise the soul. All right. This is why we have to meditate. All right, because you can literally make yourself faster. You can make yourself stronger. You can make yourself smarter. Whatever you want, just through sheer meditation. You have to link into the crystallized version of you, which is the highest version of yourself. You are a supreme being, an electrical being. You come from the 19th galaxy. You are the grand creator of the entire universe, of this entire multiverse. All right. You are nature, and nature is you. You are everything, and everything is you. Everything comes from you. Understand this divine fact. This is an esoterical, cosmic, quantum physical, and metaphysical fact. All right. And I entered this lesson on perfect peace, meaning not stillness, but peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation, because we are ascending. The 500-year invasion is over. Our DNA is being unlocked daily. Remember who you are. All right? Now we rise. Now we rise. So now you know what a download is. And that's the way you should perceive it. Every 8 minutes you stand in that direct sunlight, your conscience receives a download from the cosmos, from higher dimensions, to help guide you, to help you remember, to help activate you. You are the very forces of nature which run and flow through this realm. All right? Remember who you are. Now we rise. Peace to the gods and goddesses of Planet Kai. I leave as I come.